Hi everyone and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today we're going to take a look at just an absolutely gorgeous 1970 Chevelle SS convertible. Beautiful car, guys. This guy I bought, this will be the third car that I actually bought from this gentleman. Everything I've ever bought is gorgeous. It's all like this. It's stuff he's owned for a long time. He's owned this car for, I think, 22 years. It is a complete frame-off restoration. It's got 1,900 miles on it since it was done. Beautifully done. Ton of options. This is a factory black car. It's got the beautiful Tuxedo black paint on it with the white Super Sport stripes. It's got the white convertible top with the glass rear window. It was a factory ivory interior car. Now he's actually changed it to Hounds Tooth, which I thought was super cool. But just beautiful car. It was actually a factory SS 396 car that he's put a LS6 crate engine in it, but just beautiful car, guys. Four-wheel disc brakes, air, power windows, power top, functional cowl hood, just really nicely done. Again, there's a complete frame-off restoration. 1,900 miles on it, so there's not a whole lot to really pick, guys. I'm sure you can find some touch-up marks or something, but beautiful car. I've met the guy who actually paints his cars. He does a great job. Just a killer color combination on this car, and the fact that it's original is super cool. All new glass. He replaced the convertible top when he did it. It's got the glass rear window. Apologize about the little snow specks on it, but that's Michigan. There's a little crack there you can see in the paint. That's actually there should be a factory seam up there. And a lot of times these guys repaint them, they take that seam out. You can see the chrome and stainless is beautiful. Car is just laser straight down the sides. All brand new rubber all the way around it. 18 and 20 inch Coys. Gorgeous car though. You can see the paint's beautiful. Everything I can say I've ever bought. I bought a 70 Cornet RT convertible from him. I bought a beautiful 67 Camaro SS Big Block 396 car from him. And now I bought this one. Guy's just got a killer car collection, ton of cars. All stuff that he built himself. Again, great car. This is a crate engine. It's an LS6 crate engine, 454, 450 horse. It's got a Holley 4-barrel on it. It's got a Winters GM aluminum intake, stock exhaust manifolds, power steering, power 4-wheel disc brakes. It's got factory air. Yes, the air does work. Four-core big block radiator in it with a shroud. It's got a 700 R4 automatic overdrive transmission. That's his trans of choice, I can tell you that. It was in the Camaro convertible as well. He likes to drive them. And that is nice when you got the overdrive. You can get on the expressway and roll, because it's got a 373 limited slip rear end. Look how nice that car though. Everywhere you look, every crack and crevice, this car is just beautiful. It's power top. See all the trim and stuff, all that stuff is new or replaced. New door seals, new rubbers. Again, power window car. Again, this is a factory color combination. It was tuxedo black with ivory interior. He's actually put the Hounds Tooth inserts in there, which is pretty cool. It's got the tilt column. Again, just loaded with options. Factory tach and gauge car. 1993 on the odometer. It's got an AM 8-track player in it. Again, power top. It's got some aftermarket gauges as well underneath there. It's got dual exhaust on it with the correct chrome tips. Again, it is a 12-bolt 373 limited slip rear end with a rear sway bar. Apologize, my tongue's getting cold here. Beautiful car, man. Just a stunning car. Comes with a car cover. Here's a new boot for it. Does have a spare. You can see it's all finished in the trunk. Just beautifully done, Chevelle. Just as nice on the bottom as it is on top, guys. He babies them. Like I say, every car I bought from him is just like this. Gorgeous, gorgeous car. You can tell he's replaced all the lenses there in the dash. He just does a nice job. It's missing the cigarette lighter. It's got the overdrive selector in here. Have Jay fired up. I'll tell you what, guys, I drove this car when I bought it. It gets with the program, man. This thing will run. Air does work. We flipped it on. It's I think 7 degrees outside right now, so it's not going to kick on. Runs on pump gas. Again, his crate engine was done, so it runs on pump gas. Hydraulic lifters. Works. Looks like all your gauges are working there. Door buzzer works. And the backup lights work. Yeah, we bought it. I jumped in it and you know, we kind of cruised it that night. I'm telling you, man, this thing gets with the program. No on the radio? No. Blower, we know the blower motor works. Yep. Power top does work, guys. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com, or you're always welcome to also keep track of us on Facebook, or as always, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Thought that was a door buzzer. That's a fuel pump. Yeah. Sorry. It's a fuel pump I hear buzzing. Have a great day, guys.